ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗತೈತಿ. And it is a very terrible mistake to come in this weather. I should have not come. Yeah. So hi, hello, good morning. This is where we stayed. The Royal Concept. It was a good stay. It wasn't bad. There were quite a lot of negative reviews online, but I just booked it off with breakfast and it turned out to be pretty good. It has rained very badly since yesterday. The clouds are clearing now. The time is almost 9:30. So this is Fes, one of the main cities of Morocco. Royal Palace of Morocco. The King of Morocco lives here. This dates back to 12th century when the Malwari era started, and since then the kingdom has been here. This used to be the capital of Morocco at one point, not anymore. All this is a marble carved, and it is not like they have bought the marble. Each art has been hand fixed. So look at this texture. It is so good.
They've nearly got as much time on their hands as Indians.
Oh.
So the Indians have spent decades.
Also, this palace is on 80-acre land, which is massive. The palace is very massive actually. It's too big, wow. But believe me, Fes is really good. It looks so good. Currency dyeing place.
When the leather comes from slaughterhouse, it starts from here.
Okay.
The white vase. Inside there we do have a water, limestone, and a pigeon poo.
Pigeon poo?
Yes.
Okay.
That's what it smells in summer. Pigeon poo, because it have ammonia, with natural acid. Wash leather, bleach, and they give leather soft.
Okay.
Limestone is helping for separate the hair. After here, it can be here from 10 to 15 days.
Okay.
After here, we wash it, we clean it, and we put it in the colors. Come here.
So they make it from the pigeon poop?
Yes, pigeon poo, because it's natural acid.
Oh.
Because in this tannery, no chemicals.
Okay.
Everything natural. So here where they clean, here where they dye.
Okay.
The colors, they are natural colors.
Red?
Red poppy flower.
Poppy flower means?
Black, it's cobalt.
Oh, okay.
Brown, it's cedarwood. Blue, indigo. Yellow, it's saffron. All natural. We work in cow skin, goat skin, sheep skin, and camel skin. All natural. This job, father to son.
All you kill or whichever died animal you take?
No, that's just the animals what we eat halal for us. So that's the meats, they go to the market. Leather come here. As we are Muslims, we don't kill animals just for the skins or for... No, we eat, we use everything. We use the wool, leather, and the meat.
Where? So you love Shah Rukh Khan?
I love so much.
Oh.
I'm crazy.
Oh, okay. Salman Khan.
Salman Khan.
Yeah. So they say Indian movies are famous everywhere. This is how the three Khans of Bollywood have made their presence in the world. Even though they have made some movies which we don't like, the way they have taken India in a big stage is most appreciable. Bro, it's so cold. It's really very cold. It feels like -6. Satve bhai, Sat.
Been okay with the weather? Been quite lucky, yeah?
Yeah. I mean, it still has rained. My shoes are wet.
Yeah. want a tissue? You put a tissue, I keep it here, it works well. I put it under there, yeah? And then when you're ready, you can just pull it and then just come back down there again.
Let's go.
Inventions. Huh? Oui. Trepo.
Hilko. Super cold. I can't see anything from my helmet. The weather is not that good today. It's severely cold. It's raining, it's cold, it's snowing. Oh my god, everything is happening at a time. Now this is called an adventure in December with snow, rain, cold, everything on a bike. A wrong decision. I literally can't see anything. Now that's good. If it was not raining, it would have been an amazing day. Can't feel my hands. Wow. Kashmir bandiro feel agati. I mean, I've never been to Kashmir myself, but I have seen pictures and videos. It feels more like that. Wow, mate, this is amazing. We should have not come on bike. This is a mistake. Wow, this is, I mean, other than wow, what can I say? There's nothing which can be said other than wow. Amazing. Look at the amount of snow. I mean, I don't think we need to go to the high Atlas tomorrow. This is crazy shit I have been doing. I should have packed all my winter things. I was like, fuck, this is Morocco, it is desert. How will it snow? How will it be cold? And totally wrong. ಕೈ ದೋಸಾದ ಅದಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಮುಂದೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಂತು ಏನು ಫರಕ್ ಬೀಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Apparently it has snowed yesterday night very badly and we are stuck in the snow. Wow, it's fucking cold. Believe me, it is too cold. My shoes are wet. This place, man, I absolutely love this. I don't have any sense in my fingers, and here I am riding in a snow-filled mountains with the rain. It is called extra thindi, and it is a very terrible mistake to come in this weather. I should have not come. Look at those monkeys. Hey, you guys are not feeling cold? So, we are having good time?
Everyone's piss wet through in England. Monkey in the tree, look, I'm the monkey.
Yeah. I mean, I have quite a lot of water in the shoes, but it was not an ideal thing to come here. There was a snow yesterday night, so it was just a natural thing, so nothing can be done.